Hello everyone, TH2150 here, and I recently ordered a new laptop, so I was thinking about doing, a classic unboxing video, but then I realized that it would be more entertaining if I got the Anprim to do it instead. So I handed him the box, and I didn't tell him what was in it, but I asked him to open it on camera, and here's how that turned out.
So the thing about boxes like these is that you do have to be a little bit careful because you never know who they might be from. So let's take a listen here. Alright. Well, I'm not hearing any ticking or anything like that, so it's probably safe to open. So let's go ahead and... No, I suppose that's not the most efficient method to open this. Let's see if I cut on this side. Actually, where am I supposed to pull or cut? I don't... Well, okay, so boxes as a technology, yes, I understand their benefit. It's definitely not one of the technologies that I'm against. However, these modern boxes are completely ridiculous that it's so unclear where they want you to open them. There's no indications or easily pullable tabs or anything like that. They really just expect you to know how to open these things. It's ridiculous. So let's see what's in this box here. Again, I have no idea. The only reason I agreed to help TH make this video is because he told me that if I did, he would help fund my cabin in the Pacific Northwest. So naturally I agreed, but I am beginning to regret that because this is just a ridiculous undertaking. Alright, so inside this box was another box, apparently. How wonderful. Yes, it was inside one box, and of course there's going to be a second box. That's not a waste of resources at all. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to open this second box now. Alright, so inside that second box was this black rectangle. It has a weird logo on the top. A lot of protection. I guess it must be important. And, wait a minute, is this seriously a third box? Is this really... Yes, this is, I guess, another box. Black on one side, green on the other. And I must commend those color choices. They are very nice, but still, the wastefulness is incredible. And inside that, is this a fourth box? No, I guess it just looks like a box. It's very box-shaped, rectangular, but it's a lot shinier. Not completely sure what it is. It's encased in some plastic. This is another thing I don't understand. I mean, plastic is one of the most durable materials that mankind has ever made, and we use it for ridiculous single-use items like bottles and bags. If we take this out of the plastic, what does it look like? I guess it looks like another box, but I'm guessing that it's not. I'm pretty sure this is some sort of laptop computer. That certainly wouldn't surprise me. I believe that's what I'm looking at here. I don't know how it works or why TH thinks he needed another one, but... So it seems I was correct, it is some sort of laptop computer, but as you can see, I'm hitting all these buttons and nothing's happening. The screen is just remaining black. So I think it might be broken. I don't know. Alternately, it has to be activated with these wires that I found in the box. I'm not sure about that either. Either it's broken or I'm just not understanding how to turn it on. But either way, I'm sure TH spent way too much money on this ridiculous purchase.
2 hours later.
So TH showed me how to get the laptop running and connected to the internet, and I must admit I do understand the appeal. There's just so much content. Heh, that's humorous. What's a simp?